Well, I guess what we have learned here is a couple of things. One, the electric motors are not completely, utterly reliable. Yes, that was lightning. Oh my God, yes, we have a water spout. We have also learned that you should probably get an extra long paddle if you're going to do a one-sided outrigger. It is still possible to paddle against the wind and against the current. You realize you're going against the wind and the current with a paddle? I'm not laughing at you. I'm actually pleasantly surprised that you just, oh, well, nice lightning. That you just illustrated that you could actually paddle this thing. I wouldn't want to paddle it far because there's a great big water spout forming right here. It's been there for 3 minutes and it looks like it could be coming this way. What do you say we just tie it off and wait in the trucks for a while?
I think so.
The water spout is dissipating. I cannot believe you paddled that thing against the wind and the current. Now, it wasn't ginormous wind, but I'm surprised you could paddle it at all.
Yeah.
That's fantastic, and that's a wide one. That is 6 feet wide, and you actually paddled it. I guess if you had a partner, they could sit on the deck and paddle one side while you paddle the other, and you'd probably make good progress. Wow. All right, Expandacraft.com. This is his first time out. I think he had a battery issue. Something about a breaker or a fuse or something.
Right when that lightning struck, it stopped working.
Ah, electrics and lightning. Expandacraft got him home. Barely.